Hi there everybody. On today's video I'm going to be changing the wiper blade on this Toyota Yaris. This is a 2013-14 model, and basically what we need to do I've got the new blades here. It's a single blade. Okay, so on the new blade, basically what we have is this little this bit here, where the arm of the wiper blade will go in there. It's like a hook. It will go in there and it will hook into here, and then it will click. So to remove the old one, we need to press this little clip here. We press it and we remove the wiper. We release the wiper from that little metal hook, and it's gonna go backwards. Okay, so this came out fairly easy, but I don't think it was in properly. Okay, so here I have the new blade. To fit this blade into this particular car, we need to lift this little cover here to make some room, and then we're gonna keep this area fairly flat. Okay, just trying to get a good close-up in there. So this area here is gonna go in here. And then we're going to pull this that way until it clicks. Once it's clicked, then it's in there, and then we can close that little cover, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.